In this course, you will practically learn the concepts of construction technology like analysis, design, and modeling of building systems, and project management, through hands-on projects, and develop the skills needed for an exciting career in the construction industry. The course helps students develop enough experience to apply for jobs or higher studies in construction technology with confidence. First, you will use SAP 2000 and ETABS software to model, analyze and design a 20-plus story tall structure. You will also learn to apply special wind load cases according to IS codes and design the tall buildings for safety. Then, you will use ETABS software to perform seismic analysis for 20-plus story buildings according to IS codes and interpret the results for safety. You will also learn to perform linear and non-linear dynamic analysis using time history and response spectrum method. Next, you will use SAFE software to analyze and design various shallow foundations, like isolated footing, combined footing, and mat footing for safety. You will also learn to generate reinforcement detailing for the foundation systems and interpret the results. Then, you will use Graphisoft ArchiCAD software to learn building information modeling, commonly known as BIM. You will start by designing a simple single-room building, and then progress to a residential building. And finally use all the BIM tools to design a multi-story building. Finally, you will learn construction project management using Primavera and Primavera risk analysis software. You will get an end-to-end experience on performing scheduling, planning, budgeting, and resource management of construction projects using the Primavera software. You will also learn to determine the risks involved in the project and manage them efficiently using the Primavera risk analysis software. As part of the course, you will learn to use various industry software to develop these construction projects efficiently. Developing all these projects will help you master the concepts involved in construction technology and will put you in a great position to start a career. The course is based on Skyfi Labs' Learn, Do, Review methodology, which ensures that you learn the technical concepts in addition to building the projects. A topic like construction technology can only be learned by building projects, and Skyfi Labs makes the process super easy for you. Get course access instantly upon enrollment. And, you can complete the project from anywhere on Earth, and build your profile with Smart Certification. Using Skyfi Labs courses, you will not only build projects with a definite output, but also learn the concepts involved in it. So you can attend and crack interviews with confidence. Start learning today, and develop your profile for a great career in the construction industry.